So what is mewing actually? Mewing is basically a tongue posture technique where you position your tongue against the roof of your mouth to improve facial aesthetics and jawline development, and thus to look awesome. Most of you don't know that the term mewing was named after Dr. John Mew, who introduced the world about mewing. But how to mew is discussed below. Step 1. Sit or stand with good posture, your head aligned with your neck and spine. Relax your jaw and place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth, and then press the entire surface of your tongue, including the middle and back, against the hard palate. The tongue should be tightly attached to the hard palate. Keep your lips together, but your teeth slightly apart. Step 2. Remember to breathe through your nose to engage the muscles of your face for better facial aesthetics and better jawline development in a few months. Yes, consistency is essential, maintaining tongue posture throughout the day even when sleeping. And if you breathe through your mouth while sleeping, as most people do, try to tape it, man. Step 3. Tips for mewing. Relax your jaw. Keep your jaw relaxed while mewing, and avoid clenching or tensing your jaw muscles, as this may hinder the effectiveness of the technique, and thus can be painful. Be patient. Results from mewing may take time, and to be honest, can also vary from person to person. Be patient and consistent in your practice. It may take several months to see the difference, and that's how to mew. Be a channel subscriber if you find this helpful. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Good luck.